Hi everybody, Bob Gager from Adobe here with another installment of Ask Bob, where I get to answer questions from our Facebook fans about Photoshop Elements. Today's question comes from Judy and Sam Simpson Norris. Right here on Facebook, Judy and Sam ask how to whiten teeth in PSE 10 or 11. Well guys, that's actually really easy. First thing is to find a picture that you want to whiten some teeth. I'll just scroll up a little bit. And let's maybe grab this shot right here. I'm just going to right click and copy image so I can steal this shot right off of our Facebook page. Shut my browser down, come over into Photoshop Elements and go to File, New, Image from Clipboard, right? I copied that image off of Facebook and now I'm just going to create a new file inside Photoshop Elements with it. Okay, so now we've got this photo open in Photoshop Elements, and I'm going to switch over to the Quick Edit mode. So just up here on the top, hover your mouse over Quick and click, and now we're in the Quick Edit mode. Because in the Quick Edit mode, over here on the left, we've got a tool, looks like a toothbrush, and it's the Whiten Teeth tool. So just select the Whiten Teeth tool. I'm going to pop open my tool options so we can see the different options around our Whiten Teeth tool. And maybe actually zoom in just a little bit so we can see my teeth here. Alright, so back to my Whiten Teeth tool. I've set my brush size as appropriate. I actually want it kind of a little smaller than your teeth. If it's too big, so say maybe it's already like this, right? That's too big. I want it small enough where it's just kind of fitting inside the teeth, maybe even just a touch smaller. In this case, about 5 pixels in there somewhere. All right, so I get it sized and then just click on my teeth. And you can see the Whiten Teeth tool is actually a pretty special tool. It does both an automatic edge detection and selection for me and applies a little bit of whiteness at the same time. So just a single click, I get most of my teeth. Missed a few over here on the right side, so I'm just going to click again and you can see I add to that selection. If I happen to get a little carried away and I'm doing something like selecting way out here on my lips and chin, I don't really want that. Over here in my tool options, instead of having the plus sign selected, I just go click minus and then click where I don't want that effect applied. So I can kind of paint back in to get just my teeth selected. Alright, there you go. And then to see sort of the results without these marching ants around the outside, I would come up to Select and choose Deselect, which makes the selection go away. So you can see here's the before and after. The before is on the left, the after is on the right. What we've done with the Whiten Teeth tool is not gotten overly aggressive with the whitening, right? We don't want it to look fake. We want it to still look kind of natural, but just a little bit brighter. If I double click on the hand, we can resize this image down. So you can see left versus right. I'm just a little bit brighter. Now if I want to adjust how much brightness is applied, I can switch out of quick mode and switch into expert mode. Now let's zoom in a little bit here again. Alright, so now we're in expert mode. And I can do a couple things. First off, I can see what that Whiten Teeth tool did. What it actually did was create a new layer for me. And this is an adjustment layer. And it created a mask. So that adjustment is only applied to that little area where I clicked over my teeth. But I've also got this control right here. If I double click that, it'll pop up a color picker where I can actually control how much whiteness is applied. As I mentioned, we picked sort of a natural looking color to brighten your teeth a little bit, but if I really want some white teeth, I just go over here and click on the white section of this color gradient and you can see they get even whiter. If I was trying to actually be mean to myself or someone else, I could pick some nasty colors and get a result like that. But I actually want some nice bright white teeth. So I just pick white, click OK, and you can see now I've got an even whiter set of teeth showing. If I click this little eyeball here on this layer, I can see it without the adjustment, right? So there's the before, show it, and there is the after. So as simple as that, you can whiten teeth. I've showed how it works in Photoshop Elements 11, but it works exactly the same in Photoshop Elements 10. So give it a try and show us the results by posting them on Facebook. Take care.